Okay, third problem. Draw the graph of fx or y. Fx equal x minus 1 modulus plus x plus 2 modulus. First you draw this graph modulus function and solve the equation later part. So simple question, algebraic for the structured part problem modulus. So before that, if you learn the modulus theory, what? Mod x answer is x. Modulus x, we call absolute value, absolute, mapanka, modulus is x. Or otherwise write the modulus x as minus x. That means plus x minus x, or together plus or minus. That's why when the square root comes with answer, we show the modulus. In the question number 1, problem number 1, we worked the plus or minus a. A square root is a. Otherwise, you can put the modulus. I hope you will learn these things, the basic grade 12 mathematics of pure maths in the inequalities or inequations. So when this is true, x should be positive or 0. X greater or equal to 0 only it's valid. This is valid if x less than 0. If you know, definitely if you know x is negative, 100% if you are success with x is be a negative value, then you put another additional minus and write x minus and put the x value. If you know this completely absolutely positive value, 100% plus, then you write as it is, right? As it is the modulus case. Okay, now we work the graph. So in this case, what the boundary of the graph? Minus 2 plus 1, is it? Minus 2 plus 1 are the boundary along the x-axis. Because x plus 2 mean you make that part is 0. X plus 2 0 mean x is minus 2. Same method, x minus 1 modulus x minus 1 make it 0, that is x is 1, right? Okay, now fx equal x minus 1 modulus plus x plus 2 modulus. Okay, now we should find these values of the function or equation of the function in these 1, 2, 3 parts. First one, if x less than minus 2, right? If x less than minus 2 means negative. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, put whatever value. Ne? So, can I write y? Y equal, what the answer of this? If x is less than minus 2, for example, minus 3, okay? Minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. Modulus is a negative answer. Then follow the rule of definition of the modulus. You put extra minus and write as it is. X plus 2 when x is less than minus 2. Put x for minus 5. Minus 5, put x for minus 5. Then there is minus, completely minus symbol. Then you write extra minus and write as it is. Therefore, in this boundary, the equation becomes what? Minus 2x plus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, this is the equation. Is it okay? Plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, minus 2x minus 1 is the straight line equation when x takes less than minus 2 part. One graph, one shape. Now we say more than that. X greater or equal to minus 2. For the greater only we put the equal symbol, right? But you know, but less than 1, no? But less than 1. But less than 1 between this. So what is that? Y equal. Put a number between this, put a number. Can I say 0? Can I mark 0, right? More than this, less than this. can I take 0? So put x4 0, here minus. Between this put a number, put x4 minus 1 also, answer is minus. Ne? Then put a negative and write the inside. Put here x4 0 positive. Plus means as it is, no changes, write as it is. Therefore what is form? Minus x plus x cancel, answer is 3. This is one part of a graph. This is another part of the graph. See what the last part. X greater or equal 1. That means up to infinity. Greater or equal to 1, right? See what the part of the graph. Next one. If x greater or equal to 1. How that possible? Y equal more than 1. Put x4 2 positive, then same, no changes. X is positive, they are for the same. So what is the answer? Y equal 2x plus 1, right? That's all this mathematics. Simple question. So I said last class my target to preparing for revision at the moment. I will work some more and more grade 12 type, definite problem, the final papers, trigonometry, quadratic equation, partial fraction, logarithm, and remainder factor theorem. Thereafter induction, differentiation, limits, and so on. Next paper we consider applied paper, same method also, VT graph, coplanar forces, vectors, equilibrium, and so on, right? Okay. So there are 3 parts of the graph. So try to draw these things. You know the drawing graph, not like O levels here. Quickly you can find couple of points. How to draw this graph? How to draw this? Put x4 0, y is minus 1. Put y4 0, x is minus half. You can trace it. Here put x4 0, y is 1. Put y4 0, x is minus half. Simply 2 points enough, huh? And drawing a linear equation, minimum 2 points enough. How this one? Y equal 3. How the y equal 3? Primary class maths, parallel to y axis, ne? Is it? Y equal 3 what? Parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. Okay. So 2 graphs, y equal minus 2x minus 1. So I show if x is 0, if x is 0, y equal minus 1. If x is 0, y equal minus 1. If y equals 0, y equals 0, x is minus half. Put x4 0, y equal minus 1. Y equals 0, x is minus half. Third graph, y equal 2x plus 1. If x is 0, if x is 0, y is 1. If x is 0, y is 1. If y is 0, if y is 0, what is that? Y is 0, x is minus half, right? Okay, and try to draw. Here rough sketch, no any graph sheets, no any scales. Rough sketch. So not only drawing the graph, they also solve the inequalities also in the exam questions. So they can ask like this also in the future, not only solving, draw the graph properly first and solve later. Okay, so draw these functions, 3 parts. X-axis, y-axis, that's called fx, fx, here 0, if I mark here 1 equals as 2, 3, 4, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. Here what, unity 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Now what the boundary? Minus 2 and plus 1. The boundaries are minus 2. Actually graph portion between minus 2 and the minus 2 and plus 1. The graph should come this part. Okay, so what the answer? X less than minus 2, x less than minus 2, we have a straight line graph, x less than minus 2, y equal minus 2x minus 1, right? So x0 here minus 1, this point, x0 y minus 1, y0 x0 y minus 1, y0 x minus half. Okay, see how I am drawing, see here, but less than minus half, no? Less than minus half, see this. Can you clearly draw nice diagram, straight line, straight line, but you can't take this line, you can't take this part, because less than minus 2 and less than minus 2, then you can't take that part below this, beyond this, right? So I shown this and produce it, therefore I am raising. So see how I am explaining here. Next one, between minus 2 and 1, between minus 2 and 1, y equal 3, y equal 3, y equal 3, more than 1, what is more than 1 graph? x0 y1, x0 y1, y0 x minus half, here should go like this. If x is 1, y is 3, is it? Yes, see, x is 1, y is 3, yeah? But the graph more than 1, so they have no chance here. So I mark 2 point, produce it. Therefore, like a ship, a boat, boat shape. This is the graph portion, right? 2 parts in the graph, like this. And last part, hence solve the equation. Hence solve the equation. X minus 1 modulus plus x plus 2 equal to 3, right? Equal to 3. So what do you mean that? This is what, this part we have drawn earlier. This part we have drawn as a previous function. This is fx, or y, or you can say y. This is fx equal 3, or y equal 3, y equal 3. Therefore, where the y equal 3 line, where the y equal 3 line cuts the graph, or touches the graph, or meets the graph, their x values are the solution. So very clear, this is y equal 3, this is y equal 3, this is y equal 3, touches that. So solutions x equal 1, this is y equal 3, touches the previous function here. So what the x value? Okay, simple question. If you work many modulus equations, modulus inequalities, therefore solutions are x equal 1 and x equal minus 2, right?